In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload expenses to Freshbooks. If you're looking for a straightforward way to manage your business expenses, you're in the right place. Freshbooks, a popular accounting software, offers a fantastic feature that lets you upload expenses directly, making it easier to keep track of your financial records. So, let's dive into the process. First, you need to navigate to the Expenses section within Freshbooks. This is your starting point. It's easy to find. Just log into your Freshbooks account and you'll typically see the Expenses tab on your dashboard menu. Click on it and you'll be taken to where you can manage all your expenses. Once you're in the Expenses section, your next step is to look for the Upload subsection. This is where you can add your expense documents for processing. The interface is designed to guide you smoothly, so you should see the option to go to the Upload section without any hassle. Go ahead and select that. With the Upload section open, you'll find an option that says Upload Documents. You have two options here. You can either click the button to select a file from your computer, or if you're feeling a bit more hands-on, you can simply drag and drop your expense file into the designated upload area. FreshBooks supports JPEG, PNG, and PDF formats, so make sure your documents are in one of these before you proceed. This flexibility is great, especially if your receipts or invoices come in various formats. After your file is uploaded, the magic of FreshBooks begins. The system will automatically scan your document and attempt to populate the expense details for you. This feature is incredibly useful as it saves you time from entering data manually. However, it's important to review these details carefully. FreshBooks does a good job, but sometimes the automatic scan might need a little tweaking or confirmation from you to ensure everything is accurate. Check the amount, the date, the vendor, and any other relevant information. Once you're satisfied with the populated details, you can confirm and save the expense. This way, all the information is logged into FreshBooks, ready for you to access whenever you need. This functionality not only helps in maintaining a well-organized financial record, but also provides you with the ability to pull reports and track expenses over time. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an expense to FreshBooks. By following these steps, you've made a significant leap toward efficient expense management. Keep practicing this process, and it will become second nature in no time. FreshBooks is here to simplify your accounting needs, and using the upload feature is a great step in that direction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Happy bookkeeping!